Good afternoon, guys. My name is Sanjay Singh, and I welcome all of you to this online session on Azure Security. So today we are going to discuss about Security Center. So before diving in this module, we need to understand what we are going to cover in this lecture. So there would be a few parts of this lecture. So nowadays, organizations, companies who are migrating their resources on cloud or who are creating their resources on cloud, they are more concerned to security in aspect of security. So so as per the security terms, first of all, what the kind of infrastructure which we are using on cloud, and what kind of attacks which can be a hacker do on your resources, that we need to understand. So let's discuss first of all kind of exposure. Okay, so exposure, there would be a insecure configuration, vulnerability, infected admin, and open entry points. That means less secure credentials, less secure password, username and password. Okay, open management ports like your RDP, SSH, WinRM, insecure configuration, similar like the ports which will be vulnerable ports which are open. There would be vulnerability issue. Okay, so what kind of resources they can access or they can affect? So they can access your VM, web app, credentials, your credentials which are stored into your cloud, data stores, and IoT devices. Now after gaining access, what they can do, so you can lose your data, your data exfiltration, ransomware, and resource abuse. So on your VM they can do a brute force attack, they can use exploit, okay, through unpatched vulnerabilities. They can run Bitcoin mining on a compromised VM if you are using containers, so which are exposed to Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so RBAC if not configured in your cluster, so insecure container hosting configuration. If you're using app services, so web shell deployment, server side request forgery. Okay, so these are the common attacks which they can do if you're using SQL database. So they can try SQL injection vulnerabilities and attacks. So access by a remote threat actor, they can do brute force attack against your SQL credentials. So if you're using Key Vault, so they can use permissive policies for granting access. They can harvest your secrets. So these are the common techniques which they can try. Now, how you will protect your environment? And the environment which we are using right now heterogeneous environment. So this is like this environment, that is the example of a heterogeneous environment. So you can consider this environment. So like we are using these services in cloud. Okay, and again we are using a hybrid connectivity from our data center to cloud. These are the consoles APIs which we are using to manage our services. Now we need to protect our environment if we are using that kind of environment. So we need to protect our all services. Okay, so what would be a right way in Azure to protect your resources against these kind of attacks? Okay, so here we are going to start security center. So Azure is giving you a service which is known as Azure Security Center. So where you can monitor your resources, you can run anti-malware, you will get the recommendation, you can install agents inside your resources, so that you would be able to get recommendation as well as alerts. So you can run your incident. Okay, you will get your secure report. Okay, secure score. Okay, which will give you that your environment which you are using, that is how much secure, how much percentage it is secure. Okay, and then you will, the best thing is just in time feature which you will get here. Okay, so and as per the recommendation which you are getting against your report, against your alert, you can secure your environment. Okay, so let me show you that through portal. So I'm on my portal. So let's go to Azure Security Center. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the pricing which we are using here. Okay, so I have already enabled this feature in my portal. So basically, we have two kind of accounts here which you can use. One is free, free for Azure resources. Okay, that is free for Azure resources only. So free tier account which you can use for, which is available only for Azure resources. Now in Security Center you can integrate your on-premise environment also, and then you can manage security of your on-premise environment also. Okay, so second one is standard account, in which you will get all the features which you are getting into free tier, as well as you will get just in time feature. For your VM access you will get network threat protection, threat detection. So if someone is trying to access, or if someone is trying to gaining access on your resources, so that kind of detection you will get here. VM threat detection, if someone is trying to access your VM through common username and password, so that kind of detection you will get into standard tier. Okay, in free tier what you will get security assessment, you will get security recommendation, you will get basic security policy, so and connected partner solutions. So whatever the resources are connected in Azure, you will get solution for those resources. Okay, that you will get into free tier, and these are the services which you will get into standard tier. Now let's move to your portal. Here you can see that is your overview, which we will discuss later. Okay, now let's go to pricing and setting. So here you can see I'm using my subscription, where this is enabled. You can see that is enabled partially. Why? Just because let me choose my subscription here, I'll show you. So that is the free tier. Okay, so in free tier you will not get access to your GIT, just in time VM access, adaptive appliances control, and networking hardening, regulatory compliance dashboard and reports, threat protection for Azure VMs and non-Azure servers, threat protection your supported patch services. So these services are not available in free tier. Okay, in standard tier you will get all these. Now scroll down here, you can see these are the resources right now for which you can enable Security Center. You'll get recommendation, you'll get your network threat protection, network hardening, VM threat detection, just in time action. Okay, or you can enable agents for all these services. Okay, and these are the pricing. So for first 30 days it is free for your all resources, and then there would be a pricing. So that is the pricing. So now you can enable these services as per your requirement. Okay, so as if you see here, I have enabled this service for my virtual machine, for my app services, and for my storage account. So as per your requirement you can enable and disable these services. That's why it is partial for my account. Okay, so that is about pricing section. So in next lecture I will show you the score report. So we will cover all these one by one. So as we have covered pricing, okay, so pricing in done. Now we'll cover just in time VM access, secure score, endpoint, respond to a recommendation, manage and respond to your alerts, and automate data collection. So one by one we'll do all these things. Thank you guys.